welcome back, my botanical babes and my funky fun guys, to Medicinal Mondays with Ray, where we talk about all things medicinal, magical, healing, herbal, and holistic. Blessings and good vibes to you today. I'm Ray. If you didn't know by now, but if you're new here, welcome, like I said. And welcome back, my botanical babes, funky fun guys. Spring is coming. I'm very excited. Any of you guys who are gardeners are excited, should be excited. We're getting close to our zone. I do believe I'm a zone 5A. I think. Anyway, the ground is workable. My garden beds are workable. I'm going to plant onions this weekend. For the fall, I'm going to get some of my beds ready. I'm going to get stuff cleaned out. Out with the old and in with the new, right? Almost like a detox. Anyway, so this week's episode is going to be a little different, but I thought it would be fun to share 5 herby friends that you can grow right here in your kitchen if you wanted to start your own medicine cabinet, per se. Super easy. This video is probably not going to be as long as the other ones. We're not going to go into any super deep dives about them. They all have their own respective videos. You'll see them pop up sporadically if you wanted more in depth on it. But this is just like a little overview, a little fun thing, just a little thing to get started on your own herbal journey. You don't need a bunch, and I say this all the time, you don't need a huge plot of land to have a garden. You can literally grow your own food, your own medicine right on your balcony, on your doorstep, in your kitchen window, or any window that gets enough light. You can grow up. Growing up, I'll do a whole episode on that. We'll do a whole garden episode in the future. I'm very excited for that. There are ways. There are ways to grow your own medicine and to grow your own food. And today I am so happy and excited to share these 5 herby friends with you that you can grow right on your windowsill and start your own medicine. Of course, we had to kick this off with one of my favorite adaptogens, Tulsi. So it's been used for thousands of years in Ayurvedic medicine. It's considered a holy plant in India, and it's often grown outside of homes and temples because it's believed to protect and purify the space around it. So Tulsi is one of the best adaptogens. It's also a nervine. It's an immunomodulant, has anti-inflammatory properties, and it's an antioxidant. Not sure what my dog's doing. Anyway, so what that means is Tulsi helps the body adapt to stress while supporting the immune system and calming the nervous system. So it's good for people who are dealing with chronic stress, people who deal with burnout or adrenal fatigue, anyone looking for immune support, anyone who deals with mental fog or just like more clarity, especially in a meditation. It's a wonderful tea to use in that way, especially with lemon and honey. It's a non-negotiable for my teas. Like, I drink Tulsi and every one of our herby friends here religiously every day in my cup of tea. All of these guys are in here, Tulsi especially, because I find with myself, like, my cortisol level is up a lot. So I find Tulsi very, very helpful for keeping it balanced, keeping my body balanced, keeping my mind clear, those types of things. So that's our herby friend Tulsi. Lemon balm is probably one of my absolute favorite herbs. And I know I say that about a lot of them, but lemon balm really hits home for me. It's been used since ancient Greece all the way to the Middle Ages. It's fantastic for children, especially for ADHD, allegedly. It's good for cold sores. It's so just great. It's a nervine. It's a mild sedative. It's an antiviral. It's a carminative. So it calms the nervous system, supports the digestive system, and even has antiviral properties. It's good for anybody who experiences anxiety or overwhelm, which is a huge heavy hitter for me. Anybody with trouble sleeping, anybody with digestive discomfort, excuse me, anybody with stress related tension, anybody who deals with those emotions or those feelings in children or elderly or whatever. Lemon balm is absolutely fabulous. It's one of the safer herbs to use. It's a really good ally to have, on the windowsill. It has a lovely aroma. It's amazing in the tea. I can't even like go on about lemon balm enough. I'm also brewing a lemon balm glycerite. My daughter has ADHD, so I wanted to try making the glycerite because she won't drink a tea, to see if that helps her and helps me as well, because she got it from mama. Yeah, lemon balm. Now, if y'all would have saw the peppermint video, and if you haven't yet, you'd know how excited I was about the strawberry mint. Oh my gosh, Captain. Because I absolutely love peppermint. Again, another non-negotiable. So it's been used medicinally since ancient Egypt, Greece, Rome. It was traditionally used for your digestive issues and headaches. So it's a carminative, it's an antispasmodic, it's a digestive stimulant, and it's cooling. So peppermint relaxes the digestive tract and helps relieve gas, bloating, and cramps. Excuse me. So it's good for anybody who experiences digestive discomfort, bloating or gas, brain fog, even sinus congestion. Fabulous for that in a facial steam. If your sinuses are all filled, highly recommend. Peppermint tea after a heavy meal is one of the simplest digestive remedies that you can make. Like, it is the easiest. Sir, peppermint with a little bit of ginger after like a turkey dinner or a big barbecue or anything like that. It's great. Also, very much highly recommend to grow in a pot. It spreads like wildfire. Grow it in a pot. And another little disclaimer that I didn't have in the peppermint video is spearmint. When you grow spearmint, it will actually smell like cat piss. And I think it was the acidity in the soil or something. Here, I just thought of that. So we are going to search this ourselves. What makes peppermint smell like cat piss? Oh, it's spearmint, not peppermint. Spearmint can smell cat pee like when its chemical balance shifts towards more sharp, sulfurous, or ammonia-like notes, rather than this usual sweet, minty aroma. Without going into any more, I thought it was a peppermint plant for days. I couldn't, for days, for the life of me, figure out where this smell of cat piss was coming from. And then I smelled my plant and I was like, why does my plant smell like cat pee? That's why. So that's a little disclaimer. Surprise. Be very careful when you grow spearmint, and make sure you always grow it in pots. Peppermint. Ain't nobody got time for that. Well, that was one of my favorite videos to film. So, a little history. Time was used in ancient Greece and Rome as a symbol of courage and strength. It was burned in temples as an incense and used medicinally for respiratory issues. Its herbal actions are: it's an antimicrobial, it's an antiviral, it's an expectorant, it's an antioxidant. So what that means is Thyme helps fight microbes and supports the respiratory system. It's also used for earthites. You can watch the video if you want to learn more about that. It's good for anybody with cold or flu, coughs, respiratory infections, anyone looking for immune support. Thyme is really, really good at helping you bring up that mucus and shit, the congestion that you get when you're under the weather. Pair it with peppermint to help open your lungs and breathe better. It's fantastic in a tea, fresh thyme tea, as my daughters would say, fresh French chef's kiss. I don't know why I was thinking French kiss. Chef's kiss. And lemon thyme for me, whew, paired with the lemon balm, makes a fabulous, fabulous tea. So we had time for that. Last but certainly not least is our Herbie friend, Rosemary. So she has a long, long history of use and is still to this day one of the top herbs used worldwide medicinally and aromatically. It's got a long history as an incense to help with memory, focus. Ancient Greek students used to do that. It's a circulatory stimulant. It's a cognitive support. It's an antioxidant. It's an anti-inflammatory. Just to name a few, it has a whole whack of herbal actions and properties, but it can help increase circulation. It can help promote blood flow to the body, to the brain. It supports memory and focus. It's good for folks who experience brain fog, poor circulation in general. I do. I have Raynaud's. Rosemary is fabulous. Anybody who experiences mental fog, like you throw all of our herby friends we just listed together, and you've got a powerhouse of some medicine there. Like you've got a whole powerhouse. But before I get into that and I forget about it, rosemary oil actually is very good for hair growth. It's very good for your scalp, alopecia. Cooking with it is amazing. Yeah, that's rosemary. I was about to get carried away, but safety. Just because herbs are natural doesn't mean they're automatically safe for everyone. Some herbs can interact with medications and some are not recommended during pregnancy. The blurb at the beginning. So always start with small amounts, always research your herbs you're using, always talk with a healthcare professional. It's about working with your body and nature and everything respectively and responsibly. So if you wanted a more in-depth dive about our herby friends we've talked about, check out the videos in the playlist. Check out the videos that have popped up. Every body is different, so every herb will not be for everybody. And that's five herby friends that you can grow right on your kitchen window. And they have amazing benefits. Those 5 herby friends in a tea alone, now I'm going to get carried away with my thought. You can make some of the best medicine you have ever had right there in your kitchen, right here in your kitchen, there in your kitchen, whatever. With everything you've just learned today, think of what you can make. You've got a bit of a sore throat or a bit of a cough, you can pick some thyme right off your window and make tea. You're feeling anxious and need to calm down, you can pick pieces of lemon balm. You ate too much or you snacked too much, you can pick yourself some peppermint and make a tea and help make yourself feel better. Isn't that magical? Speaking of magical, we're not going to do a magical section this time. All of our herby friends have their own magical sections in their respective videos. So I just wanted this to be just a quick run through of them, just to spark some inspiration. You know, maybe if you were thinking about growing growing a garden this year, or a mini garden, or growing your own medicine, I hope this inspires you to do so. Yeah, it's just, there's something, I'm dry. There's something about being able to walk into your own kitchen and pick or open your own herbs to make your own medicine. Like, I don't know how to explain how magical and wonderful that feeling is. Like, I feel like I'm a whole ass, like, mystical green witch that that everybody in the neighborhood will come see for the remedies when I make tea. Like, I really do. I find it so magical and just so, it's such a great feeling to grow your own food and your own medicine that I can't even yell it loud enough. I really can't. And I want as many people as I can to experience this, because it's so healing and peaceful, and it brings you back to yourself and to your center and to nature and to the way things should be. Anyway, that's it. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen this week. I don't really need to say the thank yous. I just did. I hope y'all learned something. I hope y'all get curious and check out the other videos. I hope you grow your own medicine. Let me know in the comments if you already grow your own medicine, if you already have an apothecary. I can't say that word properly. Or if you're just starting and you're curious. I'd love to know. I'd love to know. Don't forget to help your soil sister out. Like, subscribe, share the videos. It costs nothing to make the world a more natural place, one herb at a time. Alrighty, my botanical babes and my funky fun guys. Stay natural, and may your Mondays be magical.